context. Fix FHE01s usually appears because of corrupted shader cache, unstable GPU drivers, broken DirectX files, overclocking instability, or damaged game configuration files. Try these exact fixes in order. Fix 1. Delete shader cache. Press Win R, type. You can see the code in our conversation history. Delete these folders if they exist. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart PC afterward. Fix 2. Reset FH6 config files. Go to, you can see the code in our conversation history. Delete graphics settings, config files, cache folders. Do not delete save files first. Launch the game again. Fix 3. Disable GPU overclock. Disable MSI Afterburner OC, ASUS GPU tweak, CPU undervolt, RAM XMP instability, GPU overclock profiles. FHE01 commonly happens from unstable VRAM clocks. If using NVIDIA, restore defaults in NVIDIA App Control Panel. Fix 4. Reinstall DirectX, Visual C++, install repair, DirectX runtime, Visual C++ 2015-2022 redistributables.runtime. Then restart Windows. Fix 5. Verify game files, Steam properties, installed files, verify integrity. Xbox App Manage files, verify and repair, broken texture, shader packages, trigger FHE01. Fix 6. Force D11 DX12 reset, delete graphics pipeline cache. You can see the code in our conversation history. Then, 1. Launch game. 2. Wait during first shader compilation. 3. Do not Alt-Tab while loading. Fix 7. Clean GPU driver install. Use DDU in safe mode. 1. Remove old GPU drivers completely. 2. Install latest stable driver. 3. Avoid beta drivers. For an NVIDIA, use Studio Driver if game ready crashes. For AMD, disable anti-lag and HyperRX temporarily. Fix 8. Increase virtual memory open. You can see the code in our conversation history. Set initial size 16,000, maximum size 32,000, especially important for 8 GB RAM systems, texture streaming crashes, low VRAM GPUs. Fix 9. Disable overlays. Disable Discord overlay, Steam overlay, Xbox Game Bar, GeForce overlay, RTSS monitoring. These can trigger render initialization failures. Fix 10. Run as administrator. Right-click, you can see the code in our conversation history. Enable Run as administrator. Disable full screen optimizations. Most effective working combination. 1. Delete shader cache. 2. Clean GPU driver reinstall. 3. Remove overclock. 4. Reset FH6 config files. 5. Verify game files that fixes FHE01 with context 0302BF for most PC players.